Today, I want to talk about pomegranates. Pomegranates are rich in vitamin C, they are an anti-inflammatory, and they're full of fiber from the seeds, among many other things, but those are the highlights. The problem is we pass them by in the store because they get pink all over us when we cut them and try to de-seed them. It's a project, but I want to make it fun for you and the kids, so I'm going to show you how to make that easy. Let's go. We're going to submerge them in a bowl of water. How fun is this for the kids? We are going to slice the outside. We're just going to score the outside of it one way, underwater, so we don't spray ourselves. Then we score it crossways, so we make X's through our pomegranate. So we've made scores this way and this way. I'm going to make sure I score across the top. That way I can get it open. Okay? Just like that. Now we're going to break it open. We're just going to pop it right through the center and we're going to make quarters of it. See that? So we have quarters of pomegranate, but we have it underwater. And that way it's not spraying us. You and the kids can just sit there and have a great time just popping those seeds out. It'll be a fun afternoon. Pop every seed out and keep going, just like that. When you're finished, you just take a strainer, and what you're going to do is you're going to strain it, take out all the extra pieces, and you have nice, clean pomegranate seeds. Just rinse them. And here is one pomegranate de-seeded, so pretty, so ready to go. Now we're going to use them in my juice. Let's take a look at the recipe. In our pomegranate orange juice, we're going to take one pomegranate seeded, we're going to do one orange skinned and seeded, and we're just going to add a cup of ice, and we're going to blend it on high for 1 to 2 minutes. Let's put it all together now. So we're going to first add your pomegranates into our blender. Next, we've got our diced up oranges. We're going to add those. And then we're going to add our 1 cup of ice. Simple as that. We snap on the lid and we're going to give it a blend. Now these, because the seeds are so fibrous, we need to blend these for a good 1 to 2 minutes, okay? Here we go. Let's turn that off, and then we're going to take it off and take a look at this beautiful drink. We're going to pour ourselves a cup. Look at that. That is a beautiful drink. But before we take a taste, I want to let you know that here in Intestinal Health Book, Part 2, page 144, you're going to find a lot of great juice blends and combinations. Be creative. Make your own. It's all right here, but you're going to love this one. Easy to make, fun for the kids to de-seed, nutritious, and we're going to taste it now because it's just as flavorful. You're going to love this. Here we go. Perfectly blended. This is one of my most favorite drinks. You're going to love it.